often does Aryan Khan smile?
Very often, and he's got
Why
such
don't we get to see that?
I told him also, I said, dude, you have such beautiful set of teeth. So I think he's also a great actor because you tell him to act like XYZ, whoever.
And he does that.
He'll deliver. When I first read the Roundtable, मेरा भी first instant था कि अच्छा, is it inspired by that?
Say no to drugs and all written in, at the end of the first episode. How did you guys react to
We
it?
were all laughing. Emraan sir is a very reserved person, but he did really speak to all of us, and I've had like deep conversations with him about his son going to boarding school. And I would ask Aryan, किसको cast कर रहे हो? मुझे जानना है because he's such an interesting character. And Devik is the total opposite of Shaumik.
Have you been replaced by a star kid ever?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Sahher Bambba. Hello, hi Sahher.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Very well.
Big congratulations on the Bats of Bollywood.
Thank you.
Like I was telling you, I think after a long time a show is being discussed, dissected so much, almost like, it's a part of a pop culture phenomenon now.
Yes. And who knew, like it's been taken in so well by the audiences, and this is all on my feed also, and I think all my friends are also DMing me all the memes that are coming out. So it's a fun phase.
This really fun meme I saw. So the visuals are of course that song that happens on the beach between you and Laksh.
Yeah.
But they play Bhaiya Mere in the background.
Yeah, even I saw that.
It's really funny.
It's too funny.
The industry members of the film fraternity also, they had some lovely things to say about the show. The moment the trailer was dropped, once the show came out. How has the response been? Is there anybody's comment, feedback in particular that you really remember?
A lot of people have actually reached out. In fact, just before this interview, somebody called me and they were just like, we don't watch shows, we don't watch stuff because whatever, we're so busy in life. But this is the show I binged watched. So this person who called me is a senior member of the fraternity. He said at 11 o'clock I started, I finished it like in the morning, and I just couldn't stop watching it. I just binged through the whole thing. So I think just compliments like these really stay with you, because I think Aryan and all of us put in so much effort for 2 years into making this film. So it's feeling like a huge victory.
Yeah, and tell me about that, the premiere night. I mean, the who's who of the industry was there.
Yes.
And how was it? Did you, who all did you interact with? What did you take back?
I was so excited, I have to tell you, I was the first person to reach. I was so early that this lady who I was coordinating from Red Chilies has called me up. She's like, why are you coming so early? And I have parked my car outside and I've sat there for half an hour because I was that early. Because I was so excited.
Yes, I can imagine.
I went in and I'm seeing everybody walk in, and like you said, the who's who. It was such a pinch me moment, and interacted with so many people that day. Manish sir had styled me, so it was just a great event. And then we took a group picture.
Yes.
That was also fun. We were trying to have fun on the red carpet. So it was a great night. Great night.
Right. So now I have to ask you this question because everybody is very curious. How often does Aryan Khan smile?
Very often, and he's got
Why
such
don't we get to see that?
I told him also, I said, dude, you have such beautiful set of teeth. He's got beautiful smile. He smiles a lot. In fact, every time I'm with him, we're only laughing, he's only smiling, and he's cracking some joke or the other. He's very funny, by the way. I'm only laughing with him, and he smiles really often, in fact.
So what happens when the camera starts rolling?
I know, right? Aryan, you really got to start smiling, man. Everybody's been asking, yeah.
Now, you did mention this, that he has a great sense of humor.
Yes.
And we, of course, got multiple glimpses of that in the show. And I think very much like Shah Rukh, he also has a very self-deprecating sense of humor. I remember this, one scene where there's Mahip and Shania, just before Film First Award happens. And then Mahip is just elbowing Shania saying, don't be like Aryan, smile. These are digs that he's taking at himself. What when you read the script, what really did you make of Aryan at that time?
He's the funniest person in any room. He'll have the most unexpected joke ready. He's already thinking 10 steps ahead of you. And you're right, there were such jokes where, he's just like this one only. It's fun, yeah. It was just it was meant to be, they kept it in a very light-hearted zone. So the show is a fun watch, and I think kudos to him and the team for writing such jokes. And, other than that also, I think Aryan's just, sorry, I lost my chain of thought. No, I think Aryan is very funny. Very funny. And he's very witty.
Correct. But, you go into a show like this, because see, this is his first, project ever.
Yeah.
I'm assuming you did not know Aryan well before this. So when you go into a show with Aryan, you would have certain assumptions about him. He's Shah Rukh Khan's son, after all. Is there any myth about him that got bust while you were working with him?
This one thing, like, I feel a lot of people from the industry who've led such a sheltered life, they're not very well versed with what's happening, like, in other parts of the country, for example. So if you're talking to somebody who's led such a sheltered life about some guy in XYZ city, ki uska kya problems hai, so that person might not resonate with this character story, for example. But Aryan is one such guy. He is so rooted. Usko pata hai kya ho raha hai aas-paas, and he can connect with those characters. So, which is why I think he's also a great actor, because you tell him to act like XYZ, whoever,
he does that.
He'll deliver. He's so good, because for anybody like Aryan, it would be a very alien concept ki acha aisa bhi hota hai. There are no, for example, loos in the village or whatever. Like, I'm just saying, of course, everybody knows it theoretically, but to enact a character like that, for example, I'm just saying, he's very rooted. He's very relatable like that. With him, it never felt like he's somebody who's led such a sheltered life. He knows exactly what you're feeling. He's very sensitive, very sensitive. He knows what's going on in your mind. Like, there were moments where he would just look at me and he would know what I'm thinking. And so yeah, he's very rooted, I would say.
Yeah. So, Sahher, in the show, you play a superstar's daughter.
Yes.
A nepo kid.
Yes.
Let's just put it that way. And, there's this scene wherein you say that, it's about the struggles of living under somebody else's shadow. Would you say that you got to see that side of things also in the struggle? See, we know, theoretically, we know that, okay, they have their share of ups and downs as well. Right?
100%. When I started out now, I used to think their life is very easy, but after playing Karishma Talwar, I've realized that nahin, struggles alag hai, but they also have their own struggles. So that was my biggest learning, for sure.
Yeah. And that Roundtable scene that's there, did you revisit the original scene?
No, in fact, not at all, because Aryan never really gave me a reference point. Like, even on paper, when I first read the Roundtable, my first instinct tha ki, acha, is it inspired by that? But I think it was very different in terms of the characters and the story, and our banter was very different. But it could have been inspired by that. I still need to speak to Aryan on that. But yeah.
Right. No, so what I was getting into is this living under the shadow. I mean, Aryan pretty much, I'm sure, understands that. His father is like a megastar. But I was asking you that, while on set between shots, do you ever remember having that conversation with him? Ever he telling you that these are the expectations?
Never. Like, I feel Aryan is a very confident person and he knows what he's bringing to the table. So since day one, in fact, for me, and maybe I can't speak for other people from the cast, but for me, mujhe pata tha that this show will do well, but itne scale pe hoga, this I didn't expect. But I think Aryan somewhere knew it. Somewhere deep in his heart, he just knew it, and he would often say it also, that just wait till it drops, wait. Because he was really sure of what he was getting into, and he was very sure of his material. And he's very sure in life, even otherwise, even when we would do our takes, if he didn't like it, we could go up to a 40-50 takes, but he would still be at it because he wanted what he wanted. So he's that kind of a director and that kind of a person.
Right. So when you read the script, things like, say no to drugs and all written in, at the end of the first episode, how did you guys react to it?
We were all laughing. I remember the first table read. That was the first time we all were going through the script together, collectively, all the cast
like reading
people.
Was happening.
Yeah, usse pehle we didn't have the script.
Right.
We were cracking up. After every joke, after every third line, there was some of the other joke or some of the other some witty stuff in there. It was just too funny. We were laughing. Even on set, we would be laughing. in between cuts, and Aryan also is such a funny person.
Yeah.
That uske saath to mere saath ye hota tha, he would say something so randomly and I would start laughing and go into a laughing fit for the next 10 minutes. I would just keep laughing and then he would be like, okay, now we have to shoot, now stop laughing. Aisa hota tha. He's too funny.
But imagine to make those jokes on himself, it really takes a lot of courage, I think.
I think everybody has taken jokes on themselves in this show. Yeah.
Correct. But this Emraan Hashmi scene,
Yes.
you know, it's so funny what, you know, Raghav says. A lot of people have resonated with it about how, you know, ki akkha Bollywood ek taraf, Emraan Hashmi ek taraf.
Yes.
You have done a music video, you
Yes.
know, with Emraan Hashmi. While shooting for this particular scene, did you actually speak to him? Did he actually give you guys tips on intimacy on screen?
No, none of that. None of that. Imran sir is a very reserved person, but he did really speak to all of us, and I've had like deep conversations with him about his son going to boarding school and you know stuff like that. We've spoken a lot actually in between shots, but he was quite a chiller, and also he's a very passionate actor is what I observed. In between shots, he was really like going at it. He's very good as an actor, I feel, and I think I agree with Raghav. I think he is a star, and yeah, we all love him.
Now the twist in the tale, Sahher, the
Yes.
half-sibling twist. Did you when you read the script? Of course, it's funny. That's
Yeah.
given. But did you ever feel like, you know, this could be like a risky thing for the Indian audiences to see?
I actually did feel that. I knew it could go either way. Either people will love it or they will be like, what is this? But luckily, I think everyone I've spoken to, including my family, friends, even members from the fraternity, they all are loving it. They're all laughing with it. So I'm very happy that Aryan's vision and whatever he's done, people are liking it, because that was honestly, I did feel like it could go either way. Because it's a huge one. It is. Huge one, yeah.
Absolutely. How often was Shah Rukh on set? Because he's the producer also.
No, it was through and through Aryan.
Oh,
through
really?
and through Aryan, yeah. So Shah Rukh sir I met for the first time at Red Chilli's office.
Okay.
And then of course at Mannat when there would be a party or after a workshop sometimes. That's the only time we met him.
Right.
Yeah.
And this, your brother, Shaumik.
I love him, I have to say. He's my
Divik
most favorite character.
is
Divik.
it? Right. He's a crazy character.
I love him.
You know, people are talking about him so much.
Yes.
Is he based on some actor?
No, you know, strangely somebody asked me also. No, I don't know, definitely not. He's a total fictional character and I just love that character too
Have
much.
you met anyone like him?
No, not at all. But which is why I remember even when reading Shaumik's character on paper, I'm like, who? I would ask Aryan, kisko cast kar rahe ho? Mujhe janna hai because he's such an interesting character. And Divik is the total opposite of Shaumik.
Okay.
He's very sweet, very reserved, very quiet. And then, but he played it so well that everybody's like, who is this guy? And
Right,
Yeah.
absolutely. You know, I've picked up some pictures, Sahher, from your social media. And, you know, from the premiere or, you know, maybe before that, after that. Just tell me a little bit about them,
Yes.
okay? It's a very nice picture. Where was this taken?
This was at somebody's party. And I remember Aryan was there and I gave my phone to this friend and I was like, just take a picture. And yeah, we took a couple of pictures, swapped. I said, yeah, we were just having fun. This was at somebody's party actually.
Okay. I didn't ask you this. So how did the show happen to you? Like, did you get a call from Aryan directly?
No, Aryan actually I had met only a few times socially.
Okay.
Other than that, for this particular project, I got a call from Nandini ma'am and Karan Malli. They're the casting
Nandini
director.
Shrikant.
Yes.
Okay.
So from their team, I got a call saying auditions are happening. Would you like to audition? So it was never a call for Sahher Bambba. It was a call that Aryan Khan is, you know.
Oh, you knew that? Okay.
Yeah, they told us.
Okay.
So we are auditioning people. So come and test for it. It was like that. But I have to tell you, they were the most grueling rounds of auditions I've ever
Really?
gone through.
How many rounds? Tell me.
Matlab 3 rounds.
Okay.
And पूरा दिन जाता था उन auditions में because they would call me say in the afternoon or morning till 7:38. I would be in their office just you know doing variations to the same scenes, long monologues. And the last and the final round of the audition was taken by Aryan himself because he wanted to meet the person and just direct in person just to see if the person is receptive of his instructions and all of that.
Right. So these scenes that you auditioned, you know, were they from the show itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
I tested for the Roundtable scene. That was the first ever test, and then after that there was one emotional scene from the third episode when I'm telling Asman's character that, you know, I have to succeed, and I've seen my father fail and all of that.
Okay. All right. This one.
Oh, yes. So, we were just hanging out together, and this girl in the blue dress, Alia is her name.
Her cousin, Suhana's cousin.
Yes, Suhana's cousin. So she's like, girls, let's just take a picture. And we all just stood and we took pictures. And I had forgotten about this also till Alia sent me the next morning these pictures. Yeah.
Did you get to meet Suhana before this?
Yes. So many times. In fact, Suhana is such a lovely, sweet person. She's in fact one of the most genuine people in the industry. She's just all heart. And I love her. I think both Aryan and Ibrahim, of course, Emraan, of course, but he's too small, so I've not really gotten to interact much with him. I've spoken to him a little bit, but Suhana is just lovely. She's amazing.
Right. Okay. I have to ask you. This is Vicky.
Yes.
So what conversation was happening here?
I was actually, what was I saying? He was just congratulating me and saying, looking forward to watching your show. And I'm saying, I was very happy to see you. And we were just talking about work and just things like that and just happy conversations.
Great. You know, before I let you go, I'll just take 1 more minute of your time. I'm going to put some situations in front of you. You just have to answer me yay or nay.
Okay.
And these are situations which we have seen in the Bats of Bollywood as well.
Oh, okay.
You know, an actor's life.
Okay.
All right. Have you been replaced by a star kid ever?
Yay.
Okay.
I mean, I have. So, yay, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Went to Dharma Productions for auditions in your early years?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
Been upset because another filmmaker or actor did not recognize you?
No.
Okay.
I don't take these things personally. No.
Okay. Said no to a filmmaker because you did not like his vibes?
I mean, yeah, because I wouldn't want to work with anybody I don't feel an off vibe, so no.
All right. Okay, the last one. Broke up with somebody because that person was insecure of your success?
Nay, because I think success is a little bit I'm tasting now, so
okay. No, but on that note, Sahher, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I remember doing your first ever interview, and it's good to see you, growing. And I'm sure, the Bats of Bollywood has given a huge push to your career.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you. Hi, this is Sahher Bambba, and you're watching me on News 18.